In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the knit front and back stitch. And this is an increasing stitch. So that means for every one stitch you have, you're going to end up with 2 stitches. So we're increasing the number of those stitches. So how it works is you're going to come in just as a regular knit stitch. You're going to bring it to the front. Now here's where we would just pop it off if it was a regular knit stitch. But before we pop it off, we're just going to give ourselves just a little bit more yarn. And then we're going to twist it, almost creating like a figure 8 right here, or an infinity sign. And then we're going to knit it again. And then pop it off the top. And so now I went from 1 stitch to 2 stitches. Let's do it again. So we're going to come in as if to just a regular knit. Instead of popping it off right here, I'm going to give myself just a little extra yarn, because here's where if we keep it so tight, it becomes a really tight stitch. And so I'm just going to give it a little extra yarn so that I can twist it easily. I have that figure 8 or that infinity sign there. And now I'm going to come in from behind and knit it again, and now pop it off the top. And so again, now I have 2 stitches. So again, this is a great increasing stitch that's quite common. And so you definitely want to know how to do it. No need to get intimidated by it. Just give it a little bit of practice and you will get it for sure. Now, like I said, probably what I had the biggest challenge with was just that I was knitting too tight. So when you do that twist, for me, that was the game changer, was just giving myself a little extra yarn so that I could twist very easily to get into that back stitch to knit it again. All right, enjoy.